Hey everyone, Jake Sloan back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to use the DJI hand gesture smart controls without using a remote control or a phone. Just set your drone on the ground, turn it on, and then wait a few minutes for it to acquire GPS signal, and then you have it ready to go. Actually really convenient in their last update with firmware. It also fixed all the shaking problems that most people were experiencing, or that a lot of people were experiencing, myself included, though not to the same degree that some people were. All right. It's pretty simple. Unfold the drone. Power it on, and then wait until it powers all the way on. Give this a double tap. And then enters that mode. From there, you have to go front. See the camera recognizes you, flashes green, and gets ready to take off. Now it's recording video. You can go higher, lower, you can go further back, closer in, and it'll track you too. Automatically just follows you around. It actually does a pretty good job. So that's how to do your DJI Mavic Air with no controller and no remote. And there you go. Pretty easy, actually, really easy. You just have to turn it on. You have to wait for a couple of minutes to make sure that it's acquired GPS signal. You can double tap the button on the back and it goes into gesture mode. You're ready to go. So now I kind of see what happens when you turn the remote back on after you've done that. And I want to see if it automatically pairs. Oh, it does. Look at that. Green light. Automatically paired. It's still in active track mode. Now it's not.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Pretty cool. Good job, DJI. Nice implementation of new firmware. Just as easy as that. Great update from DJI. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see you again soon on the next video.